Hey guys, Holly here, and I am sorry I have been so absent on my YouTube channel, but if you've been following me on my other social media, you would have seen that my son Douglas was diagnosed with type 1 diabetes back in June, so it's taken me some time to get back into the swing of making longer form videos. Today's video though, I wanted to make a very special cup for him and I to do with type 1 diabetes. So I have this great tumbler here that I got from Heat Transfer Source, and I'm going to make myself a very special type 1 diabetes coffee mug. To begin the project, we are going to clean our mug with a bit of rubbing alcohol. This just ensures that we get all the dirty grease and fingerprints off of our mug before we apply our vinyl. This just helps the vinyl stick really well. So we're just going to scrub all surfaces here with just a lint-free cloth. Once I have it all clean here, we're going to prep our design. We're going to measure our mug to see what size we want to make our design. And then I'm just going to head over to Design Space here, and I'm going to show you guys the design that I chose. I actually made this design myself, and if you guys want to make this mug, I do offer this file for free on my website, hollygrace.ca. Alright, so we need to make sure that we group everything here accordingly. So I'm going to move the ribbon and the blood drop out of the way, and I'm going to select all the black letters here, and we're going to hit attach just so they all cut together. Next we are going to hit make it, and then you can see here when you go before you hit cut, they're all attached here, the letters. We have the red blood drop over here, and then we have the blue diabetes ribbon here. I'm using Oracal 651 permanent vinyl. I got this from Heat Transfer Source as well. I'm just using a brayer there to smooth it down to my mat. One of my favorite tools in my craft room is this Tweedy Light tool. This is from Heat Transfer Source as well, and it really makes weeding easy, stress-free. I can see all the lines and everything in the letters. I just love the little light on the end of it. Next, we're going to take our transfer tape here, and we're just going to press it over our design, making sure we smooth it onto the letters really well. And then again, flip over the back of it and smooth out the back as well. This just helps get a good seal on the letters. We're going to peel off the transfer tape, and we're going to apply it onto our mug. I'm starting with the letters first, and then I'm going to do the ribbon after, just to make sure the placement is correct. Make sure that you really smooth the transfer tape and the letters onto your mug to avoid any air bubbles or little pockets. I'm also using a scraping tool as well to make sure it's really smoothed down. We're going to peel off the transfer tape to reveal the letters stuck onto our stainless steel mug. When I do the ribbon, I'm going to put the transfer tape on first, but then you'll notice that I'm going to cut it a bit because my transfer tape isn't clear. I want to be able to see my letters before I stick the ribbon down, because I just want to make sure that I get the ribbon in the exact spot. So I'm just going to cut out a little piece here so I can see when I stick my ribbon down. So just while I'm finishing up my mug here, I just want to take a second to tell you guys about this mug in case you're not familiar with type 1 diabetes. My son's pancreas doesn't produce insulin, so me being his mother and him being 5, I have to act as his pancreas. So I thought this mug was just a great, kind of funny way to bring light to a situation that has been a little bit stressful on our family. So basically, I never dreamed I would be a pancreas, but here I am killing it, guys. So yeah, I'm my son's pancreas now, and I thought it'd be fun to make him his own little mug as well. So Heat Transfer Source also has these smaller mugs, stainless steel mugs, so I made one for my son as well, and his says I can do anything except make insulin. So it's kind of like a cute little matching set for me and him, and he can put all his sugar-free drinks in his new stainless steel mug. So you guys make sure you check out heattransfersource.com to get your hands on some of these blanks, And check out their other section of blanks as well, because they have a lot of really great items. And I will see you on the next video. Bye.